Hi everyone, welcome back to Julian's Art Flow. Thank you for joining me again. If you're new to my channel, thank you for joining us. Before we start, I'd like to say thank you to the new subscribers. Thank you for your comments and your thumbs up. All are welcome. Today, I've got something really, really special. This painting is stunning. I look at it and I can see what I think it is, but I'm not sure. Leave a comment below and let me know if you can see what it is. It's abstract art, obviously, but it's one of those paintings where it looks like something, but you can't quite put your finger on what it looks like. I love those paintings. So what did I use? I used Deco Art White Pearl, Pebeo Studio Acrylics Silver, excuse me, I used CassArt Black, Pebeo Studio Acrylic White. I can't show you that because you're balanced rather precariously on it at the moment. And I used one other colour. But I don't want to tell you what it was. I tell you what, watch the video and I'll reveal at the end. You won't guess it.
You get so alone, sometimes it starts to make sense. On this side of paradise, we're never concerned when the grass always greener on the other side of the screen. And misery set her sights on the likes of you and me. When arrows of love you pulled from my chest, when white mask of tragedy ties ribbons round our necks, and then shadows are cast over beds that we've made, and you start to forget why you came to this place. Then you go break their hearts, they don't know who you are as you lie in the dark. sometimes you start to forget that this side of paradise won't happen again. And for reasons unknown, we were brought to this place until legs grow too old to just fight the good race. And you go break their hearts, they don't know who you are as you lie in the dark. Do you know what you are when you go break their hearts? They don't know who you are as you lie in the dark. Do you know what you
White lace on the outside, satin pillows on the inside, spinning gears of gold making noise, a ballerina with such poise. Too bad her porcelain heart's been broken, 'cause it's just so fragile. Can you fix my music box? My heart is shy just like my thoughts. I just want the song to play, the one that takes my breath away. Can you fix my music box? The ribbon's frayed, you've gone astray. Can you fix my music box? The doll won't move and the song won't start. Left in pieces where you dropped me. I don't know how you already forgot me. You ran away with no regard. We were so close, but now we're far. Too bad I'm broken from words unspoken. I just want to be cared for again. Can you fix my music box? My heart is shy just like my thoughts. I just want the song to play, the one that takes my breath away. Can you fix my music box? The ribbon's frayed, you've gone astray. Can you fix my music takes my breath away. Can you fix my music box? The ribbon's frayed, you've gone astray. Can you fix my music box? The don't want moving, the song won't start.
I hope you enjoyed watching that. I hope you like the painting as much as I do. So, did you guess? Did you guess the colour? Did you guess gold? Or did you guess yellow? Oh, you were wrong. It's neither of those. It's from the Arteza Pearl range. I can't pronounce it properly, but I think it's chartreuse. Guys, it's green. The most beautiful green. Let me know down below if you guessed right. Until next time, stay safe, take care.